How to create an account on Western Union. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a new account on Western Union, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to the Western Union application or search for Western Union login in any of your preferred browser. Once that is done, you will land to this login portal page. From here, tap on the register button. Once you click on the register button, you will land to this page whereby you have to provide and create your profile. This includes entering your email address and then creating a password for you. You'll have to confirm the password again, and once this is done, it will ask for necessary and additional details. Additional details includes your phone number, address, and full name to continue. Once this is done, you can now head over to the login page, provide in your credentials and get logged in. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.